Hey skaters, welcome back. Good morning. I am actually driving to a competition right now. I'm headed to Vacaville, California for their Solano Showcase ISI competition. I'm very excited. I'm going to try to take you through my day. We'll see how it goes. I have 15 skaters doing about 30 programs in 6 hours. So it's going to be a crazy busy day for me, but I'm going to try to take you along for the ride the best I can. But while I'm sitting here, the traffic has now stopped. Yeah, we're at a stop. That's exciting. So while I'm sitting here, I wanted to tell you a little bit about showcase competitions and ISI. And yeah, let's chat. I don't know if you guys have ever done a showcase competition. Raise your hand in the comments if you have. I did a lot of showcase competitions when I was young. I'm a big fan. I love them. I have really good memories of them. I didn't always compete well, but it still was a good experience. So a showcase competition, they eliminate the technical category. So you're doing things like light entertainment, dramatic, character, artistic. You could do couple skate. There's like a number of really fun categories. There's a footwork category. They just take out the technical sides. There's no technical events. And then for most showcase competitions, they drop the lights down and use a spotlight, and there's usually a curtain or some sort of a barrier on one side. So you have kind of a backstage area where the warm-up happens. You warm up just like in this little tiny section, but then you come out from the curtain and you have like a performance. So a showcase competition is like a show that's also a competition. It's really, really cool. Often they also have a category called recall. So they will pick a number of skaters to come back at the end of the event and compete for a trophy. Today there's a number of trophies. They do have a recall. There's the best newcomer, best overall, best dramatic, most entertaining. So there's a number of different categories that you could win an overall trophy for. Of course, getting best overall, that's the one everybody wants. But yes, so showcase competition, if you ever have a chance to do one, take advantage, put together some program that is really inspiring or entertaining to watch, something that really gets the audience and the judges' emotions involved, either because it's so funny or it's so dramatic or it's so clever, right? But take advantage, have a good time. It might be a whole new world of competition you never thought you could do before. Well, that was a long drive. I was in stop and go almost the whole time, but we're here. Time for competition today to officially begin. skaters, the day is done. It's been a long one. I was there over an hour longer than I expected because one of my students got recalled. Oh my gosh, so exciting. So she was one of the top 10 of the whole category, of the whole competition, I should say. So it's very, very exciting. Yay. Now, head back home. So final thoughts, I think overall it was a really good day. It was really long for me as a coach. I put on about 30 programs in 6 hours. That's a lot. Some of those skaters were back to back. There were some gaps in there, you know, ice cuts and things, but it was pretty back to back for quite a while, a lot of that time. My skaters generally did pretty well. Some of them had a hard time with the spotlight. It was pretty disorienting. If you've never competed with a spotlight, it can be really disorienting because you have those lights following you around and it can throw you off, especially after a jump or a spin. So when you check out of your jump, you check out of your spin, you can get a little bit lost. And that did happen for some of them. But overall, I'm really proud of how everyone did today. We have another competition in 3 weeks. And so anything that we wanted to fix from today, we got a couple weeks to clean up and we're going to give it another try. But thank you so much for following along my skating day, my competition day, and hope you found it interesting and entertaining. And if you have any questions about ISI or showcase competitions or anything like that, let me know down in the comments below. All right, happy skating, and I'll see you next time.